Good afternoon, children. Then next one, edges and corners. Edges and corners. Teacher will show you what are edges and corners. This is a rectangle. See the corners. You can see this is a corner. This is a corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 corners of a rectangle, and this is a square. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 4 corners you can see. In a triangle you can see 1, 2, 3. 3 corners you can see. These are the corners. So corner, you understood the corners. And next one is edges. Edges. See, this is the edge. This is the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. For a square, 4 edges are there. Then for a rectangle, can you see the edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges are there. Then for a triangle, 1, 2, 3 edges. 3 edges. So understood? Corners are this one. Corners and edges, you can see the straight lines. Edges, you can see the straight lines. So here it is already given one game. You can also play around the table. Here you can see one girl, Meeta, and her 5 friends. They are playing a game there. Then one boy has done blindfolded. Blindfolded means tied a piece of cloth, and he started to clap like this. Then all the other 5 children are around the table. Around the table, they have a rule. Those when he start to count, clap hands, that time these children want to round around the table. That time when he stops his clapping, that time the children should stand in the corners. Stand in the corners. Those who are not standing in the corner, that child will be out. Those who are not standing in the corner. Corner means sides, 4 sides, 4 edge. I have shown you this is the corner. This is the corner. This if it is a table. This is 1 corner, 2, 3, 4 corners. One will be on the edge, near the edge. So that child will be out. You read the instructions. So you will understand. Then you can start doing like this. And you understood, children, how to do the corners, how to find the corners and edges. I hope you all understood edges and corners. In this picture also you can see edges and corners of the book. This is a book. This is the book. This is the corner of the book. This is the corner of the book. These are the edges, straight lines. You can see these straight lines. These are the edges of a book. Like that, it is given there. Edges of a chair, edges of a kite. It is already given there. You want to read the textbook also. Even if it is maths, you want to read, then only you will understand. And do the activity given in page number 62 and 70.
Okay, children. Teacher will read the questions and give you answers. You want to listen carefully. After that, you can write it into your notebook. Okay. First question. Looking at the picture given above, can you tell who is out? looking at the picture given above, can you tell who is out? Can you tell, children? Who is standing near the edge? Guddu. So Guddu is out. Second, the B question number B. Where is Guddu standing? Where is Guddu standing? Against the edge of the table. Against the edge of the table. You can see the edge of the table, and he is against the edge of the table. You can write against the edge of the table. Then question number C. Can this game be played around table? Why? Do you think you can play this game around a round table? No. Why, children? No. It has no corners. A round table has no corners. So, we cannot play around a round table. So, these are the 3 questions answers. We can move to the next questions. Page number 64. Then, question number A. Look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. Look around you. Look around you. Then identify things with straight edges and curved edges. See this pencil. This pencil has straight edges, and at the top, at the end of the pencil, you can see curved edges also. Then see this hockey stick. It also has straight edges and curved edges also. You can write pencil, hockey stick, etc. Then next one, B. Do the things with straight edges have corners? Do the things with straight edges have corners? Yes. A table has rectangular table has straight edges and also corners. A book also has straight edges and corners also. You can write answer yes. Then C. Do the things with curved edges have corners? Do the things with curved edges have corners? No, you can see above 2 pictures that 2 pictures have curved edges but no have corners. So you can write no. Then D, question number D. Try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. Try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. We have already done in the first question A. A pencil and a hockey stick also has straight and curved edges. You can find some more examples. See, an eraser has curved straight edges, but if it is a round eraser, it has curved edges. So you can find some more examples and you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so try to write these questions and answers into your notebook.